spinning and winning slots. Just got the Holden spin, and here's what we're playing for. On Ninja Storm, we're playing, what do you think? Dollar Storm. There's the top one. We've got a $14,900 grand, 693 majors, 250 minor, $50 mini. We're playing nickel denom, 5 cent, 25-cent bet, making it $1.25. Let's hit something. Let's go some spinning and winning, guys. Here we go. Let's get something big. I'll take a minor. I'll take a mini. Oh, mini just went by. I'll take anything. Come on, hit it. Oh, that's the way it's been tonight with these things. This will not pay up. There we go. There's the count up. Not bad. We started out with a 20. We're already in the profit area, so yep, 22.50 bonus. Not bad. No coin show, but it's going to do a little counting up. Guys, don't forget, if you're new to the channel, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Smash that thumbs up. Ring my bell for further notification of videos. And always leave me a comment. Always nice to hear from you guys. Alright, let's take a couple backup spins. Like I said, I started out with a $20 bill. We've got a nice little profit there, 26 bucks. Come on, Ninja. There we go. Nice little hit there. Oh, well, maybe not. All right, I was ahead of myself there. We got $1.75. Okay, we got some kitties with a Ninja. And if you go this way to the right, through the plexiglass, oh look, there's Jay Real. He's an unpaid actor. Just stopped by to say hi. All right, let's take a couple more backup spins, see what we get. Again, here's what we're playing for. Almost a $15,000 grand, $693 major, $250 minor, $50 mini. See if we can't get something here in the next couple spins. Oh, a little bit. Okay, that was my sumo wrestler imitation. Come on, hit it. All right, I think I'm going to do like 2 more spins, play it down to 40, close out with a $20 profit. And what did we get there? $1.25 maybe? Oh, $1.55. We'll take it. Come on, Ninja. Ooh, $0.25. I can retire. All right, let's spin, guys. Yep, I think I'll call that good. Thanks for spinning and winning with me, guys. Have a good night. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. I'm here at Four Winds Casino, the reopening day here on June 15th, 2020, wearing a mask. All right, guys, have a good night. Cheers.